This is our next piece from JBL. These are JBL Club 700 BT. These are newly launched headsets. So let's review this. Hey guys, he's your boy Sheikh Masrimed. You're seeing One Man Fortex. So let's get started.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
So guys, these are JBL clubs. Coming to the first look of this, it looks too premium, right, from our naked eye. So as you can see, these are on-ear headsets. It has extended band here. This thing is metal. It's made up of metal, as you can see. It weighs it has some weight in it. It's approximately 250 grams. Yeah, this thing is 250 grams because this thing is made up of metal, right? Coming to other thing, it has 40 drivers. I have all a review and pros and cons of this headset. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, it has foam here. It's actually comfortable to wear. It's comfortable here. This foam is also good. The leather is actually great. Inside here, the grill, as you can see, it looks too premium if you see in that. And it's not it's only this much. Okay, coming to the looks of it, as you can see, I will just post the pictures of this headset. They look damn great. Okay, there's an external wire which is going from here to here. It's visible to our naked eye. In our earlier sennheisers 350 BT, we were unable to see, but it's visible here. And coming to the features, we get Type-C port, 5 volt 1 amp charger we can use in this. 2 hours for charging gives 50 hours playback time, but I got from continuous usage, I got, I think, 40 hours to 45 hours nearly. You can see here there is a mic. This is 2.5 jack. This is the assistant button to turn on the assistant. And just a minute, there is left written here, there is a right written here. Okay, actually this is not the assistant button. This is to if you are wearing the headset and you want to talk to the other person, you just have to click this thing and it will automatically activate the mics of this headset, and you will be able to hear the other person what he's saying. So it's a handyful feature here. And this is to activate the Bluetooth. This is to turn off and on the button. This is the volume rockers on and off. This is the assistant button here. Okay, coming to the audio quality, what should I say? It's actually great, bro. Highs, mids, and lows are clearly balanced in this. I cannot make a difference between Sennheisers and JBL. One thing is that Sennheisers have more bass in it. This thing was unable to create it was unable to create much bass compared to that, and I think the Sennheisers were more comfortable to wear. This thing starts make your ear pain in within 30 minutes. That's too uncomfortable, getting pain. In the looks of it, it looks great. Sennheisers 350 were more lighter than this. This is metallic. That was plastic. Looks too premium, guys. And coming to other stuff, we have some more stuff in this. We have pouch, aux cable, and Type-C cable with this, and a manual guide. So we get just a minute, I will show you. See, we get 3.5 jack, as you can see. And you can see, this is to connect your headset. This thing is to connect your mobile phone or else PC. I will recommend. Okay, this is braided cable. It comes with the mic also, and this is normal Type-C cable here. This is the pouch. It's leather pouch. It's artificial leather pouch, as you can see. These are the manuals you get. Okay, you can also connect this thing with an application called JBL application. So guys, one drawback, you can't connect this thing to your PC or laptop. It's unable to recognize that it's an headset or else some sort. This is the drawback. You can't connect to the PC or laptop. You have to take this aux cable, okay, connect here, and other end to the PC. Okay, this is the way that you can connect to your headset. Okay,
Next is our CH710 from Sony. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.